every time you install Windows 11, you also install apps you never asked for, background services you don't need, and features that slows your PC down. But what if you could create your own custom Windows 11 ISO that installs only what you want right from the very beginning? In this video, I'll show you how to build a clean, debloated Windows 11 ISO using free tools. No sketchy downloads, no pre-modified ISOs, and no advanced scripting required. By the end of this video, you will have your own personalized Windows installer that's faster, lighter, and ready for any PC. So let's get started. So first things first, open a browser and search for Windows Download. Then here's the link, download Windows 11, open it, and now scroll, click on the drop down, select Windows 11 Multi-Edition, click on confirm, choose your language, click confirm. Now here it's ready, download Windows 11 English. Click on 64-bit download option and download will be started. Then again search for Tiny 11 Builder GitHub. And here is the link, NT-Dev Labs. Open it and here click on this drop down below code and select download zip. And the download is completed. Now you just minimize your browser and open File Manager, go to download. Here's the Tiny 11 zip. Right click on the zip file, click on extract. Extract all. It's extracted. Now we just right click on your Windows 11 ISO file which you've downloaded. Click on mount. Click on open. Now here it is, it's mounted. Now go to this PC again. You gotta remember this drive number. Here it is, drive D. Now go back and minimize the File Explorer too. Now you just click on the start menu and search for PowerShell. Run as administrator. Click on yes. Now you just again go to browser and just scroll and copy this command from set to execution policy. Right click and then copy it. Again minimize, right click and will be pasted over here. Hit space and then type unrestricted and then hit enter. It's again asking your permission. Type A to say yes to all and hit enter. Now it's done. You can close it. Now we'll go to File Explorer again. Open the Tiny 11 folder and here it is again into the folder, and here you see there is two options, Tiny Core Maker and Tiny Maker. So what's the difference? Let me explain. Again go to browser and just scroll and here it is. If you just go with Tiny 11 Maker, this will remove all the bloated applications. That's the list you can read over here. And if you go with Tiny 11 Core Maker, this will include all this removable features from Tiny 11 Maker and also include this other features. That is, you don't have a Windows 11 Store components, Windows Defender will be disabled, and WinRE will be disabled. If you just select Tiny 11 Core Maker, this will be more lighter, but it will no more get any Windows 11 update. And in Tiny 11 Maker, it will get regular updates. So my suggestion would be, if you have a supported processor and then you don't want the bloated applications, go with Tiny 11 Maker. And if you have a 10 to 15 years old processor, definitely you gotta go with Tiny 11 Core Maker, but you will have to compromise with the updates. So that's all. Just minimize the browser, select Tiny 11 Core Maker, right click on it, select Run with PowerShell. Click on yes. Now here type Y for yes and hit enter. Now here it's asking the drive letter where Windows 11 image is there. Again go to File Explorer and we go to this PC and here it is, drive letter is D. Minimize it and here I type D and hit enter. Now just wait a few seconds. Now here you gotta select Windows 11 version. In my case, I wanna use Windows 11 Pro, that is 6. Just choose here the index number and hit enter. Now if you just wanna enable .NET 3.5, type Y, and if you don't wanna enable, type N. I'm typing Y and then hit on enter. Now you gotta wait here. It may take 30 minutes to 1 hour to complete the pull process. Now when the ISO file is created, it will show creation completed. Press any key to exit. Press any key and hit enter. Now I will just go again to the File Explorer and then download folder and then Tiny 11 folder again. And here it is, the ISO file. Now here you see side-by-side comparison. Here is the normal Windows 11 ISO file size, that is 7.88 gigabytes, and here's the Tiny 11 ISO file, that is 3.24 gigabytes in size. That's awesome. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe for Takes You Demo 11. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.